Today, I will show you how to get a free extra hard drive on your computer. Before we start, I will explain to you why it is free. This type of hard drive that will going to mount on your computer is connected on your free cloud drive using FTP or file transfer protocol. First, open your favorite internet browser and navigate to www.drivehq.com. And on the right side of the page, you need to sign up to create a free cloud drive account. After you sign up, go to your email and look for DriveHQ email confirmation and open it. And follow the instructions to activate your account, then directly go to login. Now you can see all the folders on your cloud drive. All this folder will appear on your computer drive later on after we created the FTP. On the top of the page you can see the software link. Click the software link and scroll down. Now look for the link, DriveHQ WebDAV Drive Mapping Tool 5.0, and click the free download for Windows to download the software. After you download the DriveHQ mapping tool, install the program and automatically FTP drive will mount on your My Computer. To check the drive if it is installed, open your File Explorer, and on then left side, under the My Computer the drive letter is Z. Click the Z drive and you will see all the folders identical on your cloud drive.